New design, new technology. The newly developed, extended fiber automatic feeding and opening machine can feed a whole bale of 300 kilograms of fiber at one time, freeing the worker's hands. The feeding speed can be adjusted according to the required production capacity and the worker's working methods. After opening, it enters the fiber ball making machine through the fan. And the weight of the weighted ball determines the speed of ball making. It enters the vertical bagging machine through the fan again, and the bag is clamped with one button. The fan will quickly blow the fiber balls into the bag for easy storage. The whole production line can be started with one button, without the need for multiple people to operate, saving labor costs.